everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making blueberry buttermilk pancakes. They're quick and easy and something you can make at home. So we're going to start off with 1 egg and put that in a large bowl. We're then going to add some sugar, and our last wet ingredient is going to be some buttermilk. And we're going to get that all nice and mixed up. Now honestly, I usually, if I'm making these at home, I just put all the ingredients into a bowl. I wanted to do the wet ingredients and dry ingredients because I'm making it for you. So in another bowl we have our flour and our baking powder, and we're just going to give that a nice mix and get it all incorporated. So then we're going to add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. We're going to give them a nice mix until it's relatively smooth. If it has a few lumps, don't worry too much about it. It'll be fine. Cool. Now ordinarily most people put their blueberries into their batter. You can do that if you want to. I actually add them when I'm cooking it because then I know that there's an even amount of blueberries on each pancake. I'm using a 1/4 to 1/2 cup scoop to divvy out my pancake batter into my pan. I've just put a little bit of spray oil on a non-stick pan, and I've got it over medium-low heat. Now I'm just putting on some blueberries. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to flip that. You'll just need to continue that for all of your pancake batter. You can then serve them up with some butter and some syrup or other toppings of your choice. I hope you go and make these for yourself, and I'll see you next time. Bye!